Alright, so under here, doing the rear struts on the Previa. I have it most all the way undone, but it's fairly simple. Go over here to this side. Have one a little more in place, but yeah, so I mean we got this sort of nut dealy wop. It's up in here. Got these little bushings and stuff underneath, and this you can see has a slot in it. Focus, thank you. So when you're tightening it, it doesn't spin, because this will want a free spin inside the tube and everything. Anyway, what size was that? These were 17s. Yeah, 17s fit these guys. And I wasn't able to get enough purchase on the old struts with the screwdriver, up in there. Just wasn't able to grab it tight enough, so I ended up just grabbing the old body with the, some Knipex, these guys here, holding on to that, and then just hitting it with the to undo it. Then what do we got here? Oh yeah, up at the top. Let's see, get on the underside here. Up at the top there, see, it's pretty dark out right now, something going down, but come on, get in there. There we go, that way. Anyway, there's a stud there that obviously the top part, the strut mounts onto that. This was a 14mm bolt. I was just able to undo that by hand. I don't know what the torque spec is on that anyway. So yeah, I mean, it was a matter of jacking up the Previa. Got it on these mount points here, so that way the arms are able to swing down. I'm able to undo the struts. So did that, have the jack under here to control the height of the rear axle, and yeah, so I mean, unbuttoned pretty quickly, about 10-15 minutes or so, then doing them back up, and hopefully it rides a hell of a lot smoother, because those old ones there, toasty.